Are you looking for the best hookah cleaning kit? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that elbow for me right there. So this is everything that comes in this little kit right here. I'm just going to go through everything here. You got a nice little brush on the edge right here. You got a nice little furry part, and then you have the stiffer bristles coming along there. It's got a nice little hoop right here, so you can easily hang it up if you did want to hang that. And this part right here is nice and flat, so you can get a good grip on that to be able to go in and out of your hoses and whatnot. So that's awesome. You got this little brush right here. This is more of your wired bristle brush right here. Good stiff wires all the way up and down. So you can easily clean up the hard to get stuff. And you got this smaller cleaner right here for the smaller pipes and whatnot. So you can really get down into there and get through some of those smaller little nougats. Then we have this guy right here, which is on a nice big wand right here. It's got a little bit of flexibility to it, so you can easily put this exactly how you need it. Again, got a nice hook on this end right here, so if you wanted to hang it up. And got a good size handle right here to be able to palm in the hand, so you can easily grab it, and you can really move this thing in and out of all the piping and whatnot. Let's see, you got these bristles at the end are a little bit stiffer than these towards the back, so you'll be able to get really good. And it's got a nice little point on the front right here, so you can easily get it through there, so you can get a good cleaning from that. Then you got this little guy right here. It's all the little beads that you can use. And then you have this one right here, which is kind of made, it feels like a, how do you describe that? Like a styrofoam almost. It's on a wand as well, so you can get down into there and clean out everything really, really good. Not just like break it up off the pipes and whatnot, but it'll all the stuff and gunk and whatnot will be able to fall into these little crevices. It's almost like a sponge for it, if you will, to where you can get into there and be able to get everything out. So if y'all are looking for an excellent hookah cleaning kit, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. This thing looks fantastic. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that elbow right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me. I don't know if they make other cleaning kits with more accessories to it. If they do, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can get the exact things that you need to be able to clean your hookah. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show it off to y'all. And dad out.